Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Government can earn more than 250 crore rupees as royalty if the auctioning price for extracted ore sustains, earns 1700 rupees per ton in first phase. Tarun Tejpal alleges political vendetta in his case. High Court defers bail hearing of Tejpal, next hearing on 4th March. Goa desk in charge of Congress, Digvijay Singh, facing tough task to settle differences among CLP and GPCC members, Singh to arrive on Wednesday. Daboli terminus operational, parking problem at airport can be solved by constructing a bridge. Daboli airport will not be closed, says Marvin. And Churchill brothers hold East Bengal to goalless draw in Kolkata. East Bengal move up to 7th place. Churchill stay 11th in I-League. Now news in detail. Goa government has got nearly 1700 rupees price per ton for the extracted iron ore, which is e-auctioned on Monday. Nearly 16 crores of royalty has come directly into the state treasury. State government has decided to auction nearly 15 million tons of ore. If the average price of the ore sustains, then government can earn 255 crores as royalty, a big boost to the ailing treasury.
E-auctioning of the extracted ore began from Monday. In first phase, government auctioned nearly 5 lakh metric tons of ore. As per the estimated, for per ton, government gets average 1,700 rupees per ton, royalty of 14 crore rupees, 1 crore processing fee, 1 crore transportation cost, and total 16 crore rupees in the state treasury. As per the Supreme Court order, government can auction nearly 15 million tons of extracted ore. If the average price of extracted ore remains same, then government will earn royalty of 255 crore rupees. The average can change as auctioning prices depend upon market conditions. Second phase of the auctioning will begin from next week. Mines Department has begun the process of collecting samples of iron ore from mining. Department will try to auction nearly 2 million tons of ore in the second phase. Meanwhile, Department of Mines has also decided to use vehicle tracking system to keep strict vigil on the illegalities. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Former Tehelka editor Tarun Tejpal claims that he is a victim of political vendetta. He has demanded CCTV footage of the hotel. Tejpal's bail hearing has been deferred by the High Court for 2 weeks. Next hearing will be held on 4th March. Tejpal has been in Sada sub-jail for 80 days now since his arrest on 30th November.
Tejpal said that political vendetta is the reason behind rape case filed against him. Tarun Tejpal demanded CCTV footage of the hotel to be given to him.
Tarun, how do you respond to the allegations?
The charge sheet is political vendetta. It is nothing else. Tarun, ask for the CCTV footage. Ask them for the CCTV footage, and everything will be clear.
Goa bench of Bombay High Court on Tuesday deferred Tarun Tejpal's bail hearing to March 4th. On Monday, Crime Branch filed a 2,700-page charge sheet. In the charge sheet, investigating agency has named 152 persons as prosecution witness. Tejpal may now have to add more substance into his bail application. Tejpal may have to go to the trial court. Tarun Tejpal is facing the charges of sexually assaulting a lady journalist colleague from Tehelka during Think Festival organized in a hotel in Goa in November last year. He was arrested on 30th November. Presently, he is lodged in Sada jail at Vasco in judicial custody. However, Tejpal claims that the case is politically motivated. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Goa desk in charge of the Congress party, Digvijay Singh, will have a tough task at hand with opposition leader and GPCC president at loggerheads on the day he arrives. CLP and GPCC are not in good terms and Digvijay Singh will have to use his skills to settle the differences between the party and its legislature wing. His visit has gained more importance as sections within the GPCC and CLP are not happy with their respective leaderships. He is arriving in Goa on Wednesday.
If you cannot be united now, you can never be united. This is the message Digvijay Singh is getting from Delhi. Lok Sabha election is just a couple of months away and the Goa unit of the party is fractured and fragmented. He will meet each section of the party on Wednesday and Thursday. Arriving in Goa by 2 p.m, meeting with CLP and ex-MLAs at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Meeting with Executive Committee at 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Meeting with GPCC members at 10 a.m. on Thursday. Interestingly, due to non-coordination between the CLP and the GPCC, there was a confusion about both the meetings scheduled on Wednesday, as both the wings of the party were fixing the meeting at the same time. The confusion was cleared by late evening with CLP meeting scheduled at 3 p.m. Congress sources said, following is the agenda before Digvijay Singh. To establish coordination between the party and the legislature wing. To establish cordial dialogue between Pratap Singh Rane and John Fernandez. To interact with MLAs to understand their grievances about CLP leadership. To interact with GPCC members to address their issues about GPCC leadership. To form a mechanism for interaction between the party and the legislature wing. To present Congress as one unit in Goa during Lok Sabha polls. Some of the loyal congressmen are upset as this visit of Digvijay should have been utilized to shortlist and finalize candidates for the Lok Sabha election. Ironically, the desk in charge will have to bridge the gaps within the party first before moving ahead, sources from Delhi told to Prudent. North Goa ticket will go to the NCP, Vishnu Wag probable candidate. Ramakant Khalap also in the race. Confusion prevails about South Goa. Luisino Falero is the front runner. Party worried about Sardina's reaction. This fat agenda would require all the diplomatic skills of Digvijay Singh to put all the issues to rest. Although he is on tight schedule, some last-minute eventualities are not ruled out due to Telangana tangle. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.